So this is my handmade mask. I like to wash it by hand so that it doesn't lose its shape. I take and I stick it under hot water, as hot as you can stand it. I then use my foam soap, antiseptic, a few of those. I rub it because sometimes when I wear makeup, the insert gets dirty. Really, your masks don't get dirty. What gets maybe soiled from you breathing is the center. My mask, I make them with 3 layers. So I have 2 here and the outer. I like to clean both sides. As you can see, it keeps its shape. I sometimes use my sponge to do the elastics because sometimes they get makeup on them. And so this works really good. You can even use your sponge to do that, to clean the inside. So you want to make sure you soap it up really good. As you can see. Then I take hot water again. Really hot water. And you can see the steam, but trust me, it's steaming. I take it and just fold it. I go like that to squeeze out the excess water. See? Then I take it and I hang it up outside. And so the next day, they're good as new.